we're more connected than ever. Smart devices, tablets, laptops, desktops, television, and gaming systems connect us in ways we've never imagined. And criminals know the information accessed by your family is valuable. They can steal passwords, data, money, identities, and make life miserable. Even worse than the financial losses and headaches of restoring the data is the threat of cyberbullying and reputational harm. Welcome to another Wednesday with Wayne, and today we are discussing family cyber protection. Family cyber protection coverage offers a powerful insurance solution to protect your family and provide peace of mind. Now let's talk included coverages. Online extortion, expenses and ransom paid for threats to cause a network disruption. Cyberbullying response, costs for counseling, tutoring, temporary relocation, and tuition expense for the victim. Identity theft, costs and help in reclaiming your identity. System compromise, data recovery and system restoration needs. Internet cleanup, expenses associated with removing false statements on the internet. Breach cost, costs associated with notification, investigation, and monitoring a breach. Social engineering, costs that arise from the intentional misleading of an individual, which leads to the insured willingly sending money to a fraudster. We have partnered with CyberScout to handle claim service associated with the family cyber protection coverage. Their intelligent identity security, digital-oriented platform focuses on fraud protection and increased security and privacy for insureds. For further information about family cyber protection and CyberScout services, visit our website at www.wayneinsgroup.com.